U.S. police are already using Spot, the robot from Boston Dynamics, in the real world, and people are stressing out. A lot of people also sent this particular story to me. People are stressing out because, you know, those robots don't have feelings, Will. They don't care about you when you're held up.
No, they're dancing on my grave, remember?
Yeah, they already did it in the past. When you're inside your apartment and the authorities are out front, they're like, right?
Yeah.
You know there's human beings there. Mm-hmm. Okay, I can reason with these guys. I come out, I say, you got the wrong guy. I'm Willie Doo. It's actually, you got to
They got the right guy.
Well, you guys send them 3 doors down wherever the real issue happens to be. But all of a sudden, you peek out the window, you see these guys? Oh, they don't have no feelings for you, Willie Doo. They got no feelings for you. And so people are being critical. Apparently, the whole thing has happened relatively in secret. The original deal that was done said that they couldn't be posting photos or publicizing the fact that as a police department, they were some of the first to get these things. But it seems obvious to me, as much as it is worrisome to have these guys walking around. I mean, these ones aren't loaded with weapons or anything. But for law enforcement, they use dogs like this a lot, right? To be the first to go in these dangerous situations. This thing is called Spot. No dog's got to get shot up. This thing can open doors. Kind of makes sense. You're a dog lover, Will.
Yeah.
Send Spot, save Otis.
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
You know what's creepy about this little video you're showing is the guy in the back there. Not the guy opening, not the Spot opening the door, the other Spot who just has the whatever sensor is on his head. The 360 cam or what. He sees everything, tells the other Spot what to do.
Yeah, he's got like X-ray or something.
Yeah, he's the scary one at the back there.
He's the enforcer.
Anyway, apparently Boston Dynamics is trying to get away from the scary interpretation that people have of these things. The dystopian future in which these guys roam the earth and police the world and whatnot. Which is why they put out the video that they put out, the promo, where Spot's doing useful things for humans and he's yellow. So I know how Boston Dynamics can solve this problem of the bad marketing. All they have to do is send us one. And we'll show off how friendly Spot actually is in the studio. We'll have Spot chasing a ball around with Otis. And then all the PR problems are gone. It's that simple. It's that simple. So Boston Dynamics, I know you heard that. We are not state police.
No, we're not going to mount anything dangerous on it at all. So,
well, I won't.
Yeah.
I won't. Oh, by the way, that is a 360-degree video camera, that capability right there. Right. Plenty of other sensors, too. Spot has a max speed of 3 miles per hour and a max payload of 30 pounds.
So these are not controlled right now, like this demo here?
Yeah.
This is legit AI. I found a door.
They're living Spot life, man. They're looking around.
It's so freaky.
Did you just shiver, Will?
I sure did.
That's them dancing on your grave. That's what that shiver was.